Hello 7th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We were discussing about the worksheet 1 of operations on rational numbers. Now coming to the question number 5, simplify. So the first question is minus 3 by 10 plus 12 by minus 10 plus 14 by 10. So the denominators are same, but the negative denominator is there, isn't it? So we have to convert to positive, already. So first convert the negative denominator to positive. So minus 3 by 10 and 12 by minus 10. When you multiply numerator and denominator by minus 1, it becomes minus 12 by 10 plus 14 by 10. Yes or no? Now the denominators are same. So 10 minus 3 plus minus 12 plus 14. That means minus minus same sign add. So it will be minus 15 plus 14 upon 10. So it will be minus 1 upon 10. Why? Different signs. So we have to subtract. And 15 is the bigger number. It has got negative sign. So put the negative sign. Is it okay? Now coming to the second sum. Minus 5 by 10 plus 6 by 13 plus 8. Now 8 means what? Denominator is 1. So 10, 13 and 1. What is the LCM? The biggest number is 13. So 13 tens are 130. Why? Because 10, it should end with 0. So 13 ke table mein ending with 0, it is only 13 tens are. So you can write it as a minus 5 by 10 into 130 के लिए into 13 plus 6 by 13 into 10. Yes or no? 130 के लिए into 10 plus 8 upon 1. 130 के लिए 1 तो directly into 130. Hope you are understanding this. Now it will be minus plus minus. When you multiply different signs, it is a negative. 13 5s are 65 upon 130 plus 10 6s are 60 upon 130 plus 8 zeros are 0, 8 3s are 24, 8 1s are 8, 9, 10. So it is 1040 upon 130. पॉजिटिव पहले करके नेगेटिव को कर सकते हैं, लेकिन इधर इजी है. minus 65 plus 60. Different signs. Subtract. 65 is big, so the sign is minus. So ये आएगा 130. इधर minus 5 plus 1040. Now the signs are different. 1040 is big, so plus. अभी minus करोगे तो 40 minus 5 is 35. So it will be 1035 upon 130. 5 and 0 ending means 5 का टेबल में आता है. So 5 2s are 10, 3 remains, 3 0 30, 6 are 30, 5 2s are 10. We find how much are 3? Not possible. So 0, and now take this 3 along with 5. So 35. 5 how much are 35? It is 7 za. So answer is 207 upon 26. Is it clear? Hope you have understood the work. Question number 1 and 2. Now coming to the third one. The four numbers are there, rational numbers. So minus 5 by 10 plus 9 by 7 plus 3 by 20 plus minus 11 by 14. You can do together, otherwise group it. So 10 and 20 can be taken together, 7 and 14 can be taken together, isn't it? It is easy to take the LCM. So minus 5 by 10, rearrange करो पहले, 3 by 20 plus 9 by 7 plus minus 11 by 14. Okay, so put the brackets. Now take the LCM of these two. 10 and 20 का कितना आएगा? 20. So minus 5 by 10, 20 में convert करने के लिए 10 2s are, numerator also multiply by 2 plus 3 by 20 will be as it is because multiplied by 1. Okay, now 9 by 7, 7 2s are 14, 14 is the LCM, plus minus 11 by 14 as it is. If the same LCM and the denominator is same, keep it like that only, otherwise multiply by 1. Why we have to do extra? So minus 5 plus 2, minus plus minus 5 2s are, sorry not plus, it is a minus 5 into plus 2, it is minus 10 upon 20 plus 3 by 20. Now here it is 9 2s are 18, 7 2s are 14 plus minus 11 by 14. Now the denominator is same, minus 10 plus 3, different sign, subtract, 10 is the bigger number, minus sign, minus 10 minus 3 is 7 by 20 plus 18 minus 11, 18 is bigger number, so plus, different sign, subtract, so it will be 7 by 14. Now 7 and 14 same table में है, so 1s are 2s are. So now you got the number minus 7 by 20 plus 1 by 2. Now 20 and 2 में LCM क्या आएगा? 20. तो फर्स्ट का minus 7 by 20 as it is रहेगा. 1 by 2 इसको 20 में कन्वर्ट करो तो into 10. So this one will be minus 7 by 20 plus 1 10s are 10 by 20. अभी डिनोमिनेटर है 20 plus minus, different sign, 10 is the bigger number, plus, so sign will be plus, 10 minus 7 is 3. The final answer is 3 by 20. समझ में आया? That was the fifth question, simplify. Now coming to the fifth question, fourth sum, again simplify. Again 4 numbers with the different denominators. So you can take, rearrange 36, 8, minus 72, minus 12. सबसे पहले नेगेटिव डिनोमिनेटर को पॉजिटिव करो. So first 5 by 36 plus minus 7 by 8 plus this one will become now minus 6 by 72 Now this one will become, दोनों न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर नेगेटिव है, so this one will be 3/12. Yes or no? Now rearrange. You can take 36 and 72 and 8 and 12. Okay. So first 5/36, because 36 2s are 72. So 36 plus minus 6/72 plus minus 7/8 plus 3/12. Now convert 5/36, 72 में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए 36 2s और 72 will be remaining the same. Okay. Now plus into 1. So we are not writing that. Okay. Now 8 and 12. 12 ones are 12. 8 का टेबल में नहीं है. 12 twos are 24. Yes, 8 threes are 24. So it will be minus 7/8, 8 threes are 24, अब इधर आएगा 3/12, 12 twos are 24. Is it clear? Now 5 twos are 10/72 plus minus 6/72 as it is, plus minus plus minus 7 threes are 21, 8 threes are 24 plus 3 twos are 6 upon 24. Hope you are understanding. Now it will be 72 is the LCM denominator, 10 minus 6 is 4. Now plus here it will be minus 21 plus 6. Different sign, subtract. बड़ा number 21 minus 21 minus 6. It is 11 minus 6 is 5 and 1 remains and 24. Now it will be minus 72 will be the LCM. Yes or no? 24 threes are. So ये बनेगा 4 as it is और ये minus 15/24. Now into 3s are, 3 4s are 12, 3 2s are 6, 72. So multiply by 3. So it will be 4/72 plus minus 45 upon 72. So it became how much? Minus 41 upon 72. This is the final answer. Is it clear? Now coming to the sixth sum. Coming to the sixth sum, it is a verify. सबको समझ में आ गए? Verify. Put the value. First it is LHS and RHS. अभी LHS में क्या लेने का? माइनस ब्रैकेट x प्लस वाई. वैल्यू डालो माइनस ब्रैकेट 1/5 प्लस 3/7. अभी minus 5 and 7. Both are prime numbers. Multiply 5 sevens are 35. So convert into 35. 5 sevens are, so numerator also multiply by 7 plus 3 by 7. Convert to 35. 7 5s are. Okay. Now it will be minus 1 sevens are 7 by 5 sevens are 35 plus 3 5s are 15 upon 35. Now here it will be, denominator is 35, numerator both are positive. So 7 plus 5 is 12, 1 plus 1, 2. So answer is minus 22 by 35. Hope you are understanding. This is minus 22 by 35 is the answer. Now RHS, what they have told? Minus x. Sorry, it is a minus x plus minus y. The minus x का value 1 by 5 plus minus y का value 3 by 7. समझ में आ गए? Now it will be minus 1 by 5 plus minus 3 by 7. 5 and 7 का 35 ही है. So minus 1 by 5 convert to 35. Okay. Plus minus 3 by 7 into 5. So it will be minus 7, 1 sevens are 7 by 35 plus minus 15 by 35. Now minus minus add, put the sign minus 7 plus 5, 12, 1 plus 1, 2, 35. Same answer you got, minus 22 by 35. So that means LHS is equal to RHS, hence verified. You can write LHS, what is it? Minus x plus y and minus x plus minus y. Like that also you can write. Okay, LHS is equal to RHS, hence verified. So that was the question number 6. Now coming to the question number 7, it is the right, true or false. Statements are given, you have to tell whether they are true or false. Okay, first is minus 2 by minus 3 is the additive inverse of 2 by 3. First you write the minus 2 by 3. Additive inverse is what? Find out. So, minus 2 by minus 3 can be written as, when both numerator and denominator are negative, so it becomes both positive. Now write the additive inverse of 2 by 3 will be how much? The negative, isn't it? Minus 2 by 3. Actually answer additive inverse of 2 by 3 is minus 2 by 3. But here minus 2 by minus 3 will be 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 is the additive inverse of 2 by 3? No. So the answer is false. Understood why it is false? Now coming to the next one. 2 by 3 plus 4 by 3 is a rational number. Yes. So it is answer is true. Why? Sum of two rational numbers is always a rational number. That is called as the closure property. It is a property of an addition of rational numbers. Okay. Now coming to the third subdivision, minus 5 by 3 plus 5 by minus 3 is equal to 0. No, it is false. Why? Minus 5 by 3 plus this becomes minus 5 by 3. It is not equal to 0. Why? It will be minus 10 by 3. Minus minus add करने का 5 plus 5 10. So it is a false. Okay. Now coming to the fourth sum. 1 is the identity element of addition. False. Which is the identity element of addition? 0 is the identity element of addition. Identity element का मतलब क्या है? 0 को ऐड करेंगे तो आंसर the same रहता है. Okay. Now coming to the fifth sum, minus 9 by 7 plus 0 remains the same rational number. So here it is given 0. That means this is again false. Hope everyone is understanding. Now coming to the sixth one, additive inverse of minus 3 by 5 is 3 by 5. Yes, the answer is true. Why? Additive inverse का मतलब दोनों को ऐड करो तभी आंसर 0 आएगा. Additive inverse, it is the opposite sign. The number is the same but the signs are different. Minus 3 by 5 plus 3 by 5. The answer will be 0. Now negative of a negative rational number is negative. Negative of negative rational number is always positive. Negative of negative का मतलब क्या है? Negative into negative. When you multiply two negatives, the answer will be plus. So this is again false. याद है ना? minus 3 into minus 3 will be plus 3 3s are 9. That's why the statement is false. Is there any doubt? We have completed the worksheet 1, which deals with the addition of the rational numbers. Hope all students understood the topic. Bye. Thank you for watching the video.